Welcome to Dan the Cleaning Man. Are you ready to take your cleaning business to the next level? Well, buckle up, because in this video, I'm going to show you how I scaled my cleaning business in just 30 days. From marketing strategies that bring in clients on autopilot to tools that streamline your day-to-day operations. I'll walk you through every single step I took. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, I guarantee you'll find some valuable tips to supercharge your business. So let's dive into it. First things first, getting clients. It's the lifeblood of any cleaning business. But let's be honest, finding and keeping those clients can feel like a never-ending grind, right? Here's what worked for me. Online presence is everything. In 2024, if your cleaning business doesn't have a strong online presence, you're basically invisible. I invested time into building a professional website, and more importantly, optimizing it for local SEO. When people search for cleaning services in your area, you want to be the first name they see. Simple but effective tips. Include keywords like best cleaning service near me on your site. Use Google My Business to show up in local searches. Another thing that helped me was targeted social media ads. Facebook and Instagram ads worked wonders for me. You can start small with a budget of just $10 a day, but make sure you're targeting people within a specific radius of your business. And here's a great tip. Offer a first-time customer discount in your ads. It entices people to try you out without much risk. One of my secret weapons for scaling quickly was a referral program. I gave my existing customers incentives, like discounts or free add-on services, if they referred friends and family. Guess what? This quickly turned my satisfied clients into ambassadors for my brand, and I saw my customer base multiply. But it's not enough to just get clients. You need to keep them coming back. I use simple, personalized follow-ups, like text messages or emails thanking them for their business and offering special deals for repeat customers. A little personal touch goes a long way. Who doesn't love a deal? I mean, I'd mop my own floors for 50% off. Now let's talk about time management. Running a cleaning business while also trying to grow it can feel overwhelming. But trust me, time management is key to scaling efficiently. Here's how I managed it all. I dedicated specific days to certain tasks. For example, Mondays were for marketing and client follow-ups, Tuesdays for deep cleaning larger contracts, and Wednesdays for team training. By batching my tasks, I stayed focused and didn't waste time switching between different things. And don't be afraid to delegate. One of my biggest game changers was hiring an assistant to handle scheduling, invoicing, and customer service. You can't do everything yourself, and hiring help can free you up to focus on growth strategies. I also had to be strict with my work-life balance. It's easy to let work creep into every part of your day, but setting boundaries, like only checking emails during certain hours, made me way more productive. The more balanced you are, the better you can serve your clients. Remember, we're here to clean houses, not clean up our own burnout. Scaling fast doesn't mean you have to do everything manually. I'm a huge fan of automation and using the right tools to work smarter, not harder. I use software like Jobber or Housecall Pro to automate client bookings, send reminders, and manage my team's schedule. No more back-and-forth emails or missed appointments. Everything runs smoothly in one place. Plus, it gives clients an easy way to book with you online. Managing invoices manually? That's a time waster. I used QuickBooks to automate invoices and track expenses. It made tax season a breeze and helped me stay on top of my finances without headaches. Using a CRM helped me track client interactions, schedule follow-ups, and offer personalized service. I recommend Zoho CRM or HubSpot. MySo for small businesses. They're easy to set up and use, even if you're not a tech wizard. Let's be real, the less time I spend figuring out numbers, the more time I can spend cleaning up messes and making money. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. Along the way, I faced some real challenges that could have easily thrown me off track. Finding reliable staff was tough. At one point, I had a couple of last-minute cancellations that nearly cost me big contracts. The solution? I created a backup list of part-time staff that I could call in when needed. This helped me avoid a disaster and keep clients happy. And let's be real, no matter how hard you try, you can't please everyone. I had a few customers complain about things like missing spots or not being thorough enough. Instead of letting it demoralize me, I used it as an opportunity to improve. I listened to their feedback and refined my cleaning checklists to make sure we didn't overlook anything. At one point, I was growing so quickly that it became difficult to maintain quality. That's when I realized scaling isn't just about quantity, it's about maintaining excellent service as you grow. I slowed down, hired carefully, and made sure each new client received top-notch service, no exceptions. Because the last thing you want is to be known as the cleaning company that leaves dirt behind. And that's how I scaled my cleaning business in just 30 days. It took a lot of work, but by focusing on smart marketing, using the right tools, and learning from challenges, I was able to see significant growth. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips and tricks for growing your business. Let's clean up the competition together. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.